Thru hike skill practice dice. First, rolling the skill dice, and we have practicing our Far Out app. B. And B is plan to next town overnight stay. Now we need to roll our mileage. 5. And again, 18. Going off my little home cheat sheet here. Mile 518. Boot up the Far Out. Click on the bundle. Let's look at the bundle. There's 518 Southern Virginia. Open it. Click on the tools. And then scroll to create a route. Then click on tools again. Go to mile. And we'll choose 515. That's pretty close to it. We'll find 18. Now I'll just click on a few of these icons. That's 515. Let's go to this water right here. 516. How about this water over here? 517.5. Close enough. That'll be our start. So we're going to long tap. And now we'll set the end of the route. Click on tools again. Go to mile. And take that mileage plus 20 miles. Right there. And now, oh, look at this road. There you go, 535. So that'll be the end of our day. Long tap again. And now you see this total miles, 17.8 miles. It automatically prompts me to name it. Click on the mountains, and it gives us a good profile of what we're hiking. Click back on this map. And then click on this little cities over here. There it is, there's the route. That's where we're getting off the trail. And look, here's hostel information, phone number. Look at all this good stuff here, everything they offer. And it's all comments there. And now go to tools and click on my routes and then click here. And then we're going to delete this. Yep. Things are scary, cemetery, red